Nick likes to send an encrypted email to his business partner John. With the GINA process by SEPPmail, he is able to do this via his usual email program. As Nick marks his message as confidential, it is automatically encrypted in the background. The central gateway checks whether a key already exists for John. Since this is not the case, a key is generated, and a GINA encrypted email is sent to him. Now Nick receives a one-time default password, which he communicates to John by phone or SMS. John can open the encrypted email attachment with one click. After entering the default password, he is automatically prompted to change the password. The GINA mail is sent to the gateway for decryption and displayed to him. John's answer can also be easily encrypted without special knowledge or special software. In the future, he will be able to open and reply to all his GINA emails from anyone in the company on any device with his password. The process is so simple and safe that it has been patented. With GINA, the communication between Nick and John is protected in the best way possible.